Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am trying this beautiful unit from Ishow hair. It's a straight 13 by 4 28-inch wig. It's super beautiful, super silk, and it's super pretty. I already did all the prep work off camera, and I'm gonna jump right into installing the hair. Here I'm gonna start off by putting foundation all over my wig cap. I was gonna do a bowl cap, but I got lazy, so I was like, I'm just gonna put a cap on and make it work. I put foundation also on the inside of my lace to make sure it matches with my skin, and then I went ahead to cutting the extra lace on the side of my ear so it can go around my ears perfectly and it can be all comfortable. This is a very important step. If you guys want a dedicated video on how I make sure I cut the perfect amount of lace on the side, let me know. As you guys can see, I'm adjusting because I didn't cut enough. And yeah, and then I'm gonna do 3 sections, and I'm gonna start melting off the lace on my skin section by section. And I'm gonna start by putting some skin protection from Ebine, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the Ebine lace spray adhesive, and I'm gonna do about 3 layers until I'm satisfied and it's tacky enough to make sure the wig doesn't move. And I'm going to repeat these steps on each section, and I'm gonna use my blow dryer in a cool setting to make sure I dry each layer until I get that tacky texture that I'm looking for.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG.
Alright, now that I'm done melting the lace all around, I'm gonna go ahead and use my elastic band to make sure it stays in place while I work on the hair. And for this specific hair, I didn't do anything major or crazy. I just flat iron it again so it can look as silky as it did when it came, because I always wash my units before installing them. So yeah, right now I'm just going with my hot comb to make sure the top is flat, and I'm gonna work in sections because I'm doing a side part, and you want to make sure your side part is just as flat as everything else, mostly because the hair is going to be straight. You want to make sure it's just silky and straight and flat on the top. So for that, I'm working in sections, and I'm using a tiny bit amount of wax stick, and I'm using my hot comb to press down the hair.
2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me,
This is how flat it's looking. As you guys can see, I did that period. The next step, it's going to be to cut the extra lace. I'm going to use an eyebrow razor. It gives me the best results because we want that imperfect hairline. We want that imperfect cut. And the best tool that I've found to get that result is the eyebrow razor. And it doesn't matter if you see that it's taking away a few hairs, that's fine. That will make the hairline look even more natural. So right now I'm just using a little bit of the Ebine lace to fix the few little liftings that I've had while cutting my lace. It's completely normal. It doesn't happen all the time, but if it does, it's totally fine. Just use just a tiny bit amount of of the lace spray, and then dry with your, and then wait until it's dry. As you guys can see, I'm putting the headband again. I just fold it in half so it's like thinner, if it makes sense. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just a little bit more of the hat comb, and then I'm gonna move on to styling the hair, which is basically just, you know, flat ironing my wig so it can be all straight and silk. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on the hair, of course, it's a must. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing this beautiful unit. The hair is so long though. I always have such a hard time styling long hair because I have short arms. I'm a very short person, so it's like I feel like I'm not reaching the ends ever, so it's always a struggle. This is how it looks after it gets all straight. As you guys can see, it's super silky, it's super pretty, it's super thick as well. Like, this hair is so thick and so beautiful. But anyways, this is the end. I did the second part off camera. This is how it looks. It's all so silky and so flat on the top. I'm really happy with the results. The hair is beautiful. It was really easy to install. And yeah guys, this is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. If you guys want to know more about this hair or the brand itself, just check out my description box. I'll have everything listed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Mwah. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams like a